Now we are going to discuss some important question from the chapter Resources and Development and Agriculture. So we will move to first question. What is meant by the term resources? List out the type of resources classified on the basis of ownership. Resources. Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our need, provided it is technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable, is known as resources. Type of resources on the basis of ownerships are individual, community, national, and international. So, next question, distinguish between stock and potential resources. Give one example of each. Stock, material in the environment which have the potential to satisfy human needs. They are not accessed due to lack of technology. Example, water is a compound of two inflammable gas, hydrogen and oxygen, which can be used as a rich source of energy, but we do not have the required technology to use them for this purpose. Next is potential resources. They are found in a region. They have not been utilized or developed. Example, Rajasthan and Gujarat have enormous potential for the development of wind and solar energy, but they are yet to be developed for various reasons. Next question. Enumerate any three features of Riga soil. Riga soil is also known as black soil. It is ideal for the growth of cotton. It is made up of extremely fine clayey material. It is rich in soil nutrient, calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash and lime. It develops crack in hot weather. It can hold moisture and become sticky when wet. Next question. Step. What step can be taken to control soil erosion in hilly areas? Answer. Contour ploughing. Ploughing along the contour lines of a highland can be decelerate the flow of water down the slope. Next one. Terrace cultivation or cutting off steps around the slope to provide land for agriculture and also check downhill flow of water and control soil erosion. Next one is the strip cropping. Large field can be divided into strips. Strips of grass are left to grow between the crops. This break up the force of wind. Then last one is afforestation or planting of trees in hilly region can help in soil conservation. So next we are moving to next question, that is mention any two human activities which are responsible for the process of soil erosion. Explain the two types of soil erosion mostly observed in India. Answer. Two human activities which are responsible for the process of soil erosion are deforestation and overgrazing, mining, construction, etc. Type of soil erosion, gullies. The running water cut through the clayey soil and makes a deep channels. The uplift land caused by gullies called badland. Next one is the sheet erosion. Water flows as a sheet over a large area down a slope. The topsoil is washed away. The process is known as sheet erosion. So next we are moving to some one word type questions. First question. Which region of India have well developed terrace farming? Answer: Western and Central Himalayas. Second question: which soil type is made up of lava flow? Answer: black soil. Third question: in which state has mining causes severe land degradation? Answer: Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. Fourth question: what is the percentage share of plain in total land area? Answer: 43. Next question: what is the main causes of land degradation in Punjab? Answer: over irrigation. Sixth one: name the three states having black soil: Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Seventh question: which soil is ideal growing for cotton? Answer is rigor soil. The next one: in which state laterite soil is formed? Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, etc. Next question: which soil type is result of intense leaching due to heavy rainfall? Answer: laterite soil. Then name the land with deep channels that is unfit for cultivation. Answer: bad land. Then next question: which state has largest area under black soil? Answer: Maharashtra. What are the method of checking soil erosion? Answer: strip cropping, terrace farming, contour plowing. Next one: gully erosion is common in which basin? Answer: Chambal basin. Then last question: which relief features of India has 30% of total